Ooh-wee, this is Saturday. I got a call about a pump needed to be changed on the septic tank, so about to hop in the pump truck and go get that done. I'm a little bit tired and I don't feel the best, but those two excuses don't pay the bills, so y'all come along. I'm about to go pump a tank. Oh, gotta kick the dust off. Woo! Inhale, exhale. We gonna let this air pressure build up, and we gonna ride out. We can septic style, boy. This one here is what I call a long hoser. It'll take just about every hose on the truck. Not the last video, but the second last video, I did that drain field in this neighborhood. So I reckon they saw our trucks and they gave us a call. But anyhow, I'm gonna get this thing pumped down.
I'll charge you less if you can put the pump in. I was like, all right, well.
So you put it in?
I don't mind piping it up and putting it in, but crazy. I thought it would have lasted longer than
4 years?
Going back to the citrus last night,
to the house to hang out with my baby and my woman. Thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. This has been a pump replacement and pump out with Southeast Septic-Man. See y'all next time.